beauties, welcome back into my channel. I know that I've been MIA for a long time, so I'm gonna be doing a chit chat get ready with me video. I just want to talk to you guys to keep you guys updated with my life and why I was MIA for the longest. So before I get started with all of that, I'm gonna moisturize my face. I already washed my face and I'm just gonna moisturize it. I already did my eyebrows as well. Use this right here, but I was doing my eyebrows and that's why I have pomade here. And I'm gonna be using the L'Occitane Ultra Rich Moisturizer. I was pregnant with my second child. That was one of the reasons why I was MIA for the whole of 2018. I got pregnant at the beginning of 2018 on January. And I found out that I was pregnant on February. I knew that I was pregnant because for two things. I knew that I was pregnant because I was feeling so dizzy, and the second one because my period didn't came. And I took a test and it came out positive. I took one test and it came out positive, and I wanted it to make sure, so I took two tests more and all of the three came out positive. And I went to the doctor to confirm if I was pregnant, and yes, I was pregnant. And the second one because I was dealing with a lot of changes with my pregnancy. I was getting so much changes that I didn't get with my son. I got it with my daughter. This part right here on the bottom of my lip got so dark, and I don't know why, but they say like every pregnancy is different, because with my son I didn't have that problem at all. My face was clear. I didn't have no dark spots. But with my daughter I began to get some dark spots here under my lips, and it was looking so horrible and it was getting so dry. I still have it, but not as bad. And then I was breaking out like crazy. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first, and I'm gonna be using the NYX Love Contour All palette, and I have the brushes here on the side, so I'm gonna be just grabbing the brushes like that. So for my crease, I'm gonna take this color right here. Oh, I did not prime my lid, so I'm gonna prime my lid using the Anastasia 5.0 palette. What am I talking about? The Anastasia concealer in the shade 5.0. My face was breaking out also. I broke out a lot. I got a lot of pimples. So I asked the doctor, and the doctor was like, yes, this is normal during pregnancy, but it will go away. So for my crease, I'm gonna take this color. I had spots that I was breaking out, that I had a lot of pimples on my back. All my back had pimples like crazy, and the pimples went away, but you get those dark spots, and that's what I have right now. And I'm just grateful and thankful for my daughter that she came healthy. There was no problem. They told me to use a lotion. It's called the Cetaphil lotion, and that is what I'm using for my back. I'm just taking the same color and just applying it on my crease. I really am sorry that I didn't post any videos. I'm gonna take this dark color and I'm just gonna take it outside on the outer corner and up to the crease and on the inner corner. And this is the reason that I didn't do my foundation, because this palette has some fallout. So I hope you guys will really forgive me for not posting any videos. Hope you guys understand as well. I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna be taking this color, a purplish maroon color, and I'm gonna apply it as well on the outer corner, up to the crease, and on the inner corner. So for my lid, I'm gonna take this color. I'm gonna use a eyeshadow brush. That is it for the lid. I'm not doing nothing like extravaganza. I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the Inglot eyeliner in number 77. Okie dokie. I am back. So I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm gonna be using the Benefit They Are Real mascara. So I'm gonna apply my lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Salon Perfect Gold Glam lashes, and these are the wispy lashes. Please let me know in the comment box what other videos you guys would like to see. So I'm just gonna clean all the fallout. And I'm gonna take more of my moisturizer because I have to moisturize this under eye. Now that I'm done with my lid, I'm gonna move on with my face. I'm gonna prime my face and I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. Love this primer. If you have dry skin, I truly recommend you guys getting this primer. It's really pricey. It was between like 30 something, or maybe I am way higher or lower, but it works all of your money. I will not lie to you guys. I will recommend you guys the things that I like so you guys can purchase it as well if you have dry skin. I have a lot of makeup to purchase. Like I went to Ulta and I saw so many makeup that I really want to try out, and I want to do that, like come with me shopping. If you guys would like me to do that type of video that come with me shopping, let me know if you guys would like me to do that type of video. So I'm gonna go again with the mascara because I saw that I had the eyeshadow fallows on my false lashes and that looks so horrible. And that's why I'm just gonna connect it with my real lashes. So let's move on with foundation. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite foundation that are the M.I.A foundation. These are the M.I.A Conceal 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, but there's no foundation and concealer for me. I'm gonna use it as a foundation only. I will not use it as a concealer. So I'm gonna take 2 shades because I got really dark. I'm gonna take the color 10 and see if it's gonna match my skin color. What do you guys think? Maybe it's gonna be too much, too light. And the next one that I have is Amber. I think Amber is the one. And if I mix both together, let me find out. Let me check. So I'm gonna take the 2 shades together. And I'm so excited, you guys, because I'm gonna be going to my first concert ever. I've never been to a concert and I'm gonna see Prince Royce, and it's bachata. I love bachata. If you like bachata, give this video a thumbs up. Now that my foundations are applied, kind of match my skin but kind of not, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let's start contouring. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia contour kit, and this one is in Tan 2D. And the first color that I'm gonna be taking is the middle color on the top. Then I'm gonna take a little bit and just gonna contour this part, not too much. On the bottom, not too much either. I'm gonna take this small brush and I'm gonna contour my nose. And I'm gonna take this brush, just a random brush, and just gonna blend it. For blush, I'm gonna take the M.I.A Rose blush, and this one is in Romantic Rose. But before I get to that, let me apply my blush first, and then I'm gonna move on to the other part. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna apply it, not too much because it's so pigmented and I don't need a lot. See how pigmented it is? That a little bit goes a long way. So for my under eyes, I'm gonna take this palette again and I'm just gonna apply the same colors that I applied on my crease, and I'm just gonna apply it on the lower lid as well. Then I'm gonna go with the maroon color and apply it on top of it. I'm gonna go again with the mascara, the Benefit mascara. This is the best mascara ever. This is one of the best mascara ever. My favorite one is the Too Faced one. That's my #1 first. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Balm Very Low Manicer. I put the rest in the forehead, on the forehead. And taking it right here. Then I'm gonna take some and apply here. Now all the way down, and then on the tip of my nose. A little bit here on the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX lip liner in brown. I grabbed the wrong one. That is not the one that I was gonna get. Ay, Dios mío, ¿dónde está ese? Aquí está, ya lo encontré. Aquí está. The NYX lip liner in brown. So I'm gonna take M.I.A liquid lipstick. I'm gonna find out which one I wanna apply first. This one that I'm gonna swatch is Honey. And the next one is called Adorable. I think Adorable is gonna be the one. Yeah, I'm gonna apply Adorable. And I'm gonna set all of this makeup now that I am finished. Terminé. And I'm gonna be using the M.I.A setting spray in Make It Dewy. That is it for this Chat It Get Ready With Me video.